Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to close all Google Chrome windows and tabs at once. So guys, if you want to close all Google Chrome windows and tabs at once, so very easy. Click on three dots and click on exit. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to close all Google Chrome windows and tabs at once. Very quickly method. First click on Chrome browser and click on three dot. After click on exit. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.